When it's necessary to remove some material from a sheet metal part, you must use an extruded cut. For the most part, the extruded cut works the same in sheet metal parts as it does in a regular solid. You start a sketch, create a profile, a simple circle in this case, and then extrude the cut. Notice the extruded cut button appears on the sheet metal toolbar. This is the same button on the features toolbar. It's just provided here for convenience. There are two settings that are different in the extruded cut property manager when you're working with the sheet metal part: link to thickness and normal cut. Link to thickness allows you to create a cut that will be the same depth as the thickness defined for the entire sheet metal part. Now, this is helpful for two reasons. If you later decide to increase the thickness of your part, any cuts using the link to thickness option will still go through the sheet metal. The second reason is that if you use the through all end condition, there might be material on the other side of the part that will be cut unintentionally. Let's take a look at another part to examine the normal cut option. In this example, I'll create a cut on this face. I'll make the end condition through all, so both the vertical and angled faces will be cut. First, let me clear the normal cut option and click OK to complete the cut. Now the problem here is with the cut on the angled face. Notice the cut comes in at an angle. When sheet metal is manufactured, cuts are generally made directly into the flat pattern, then folded. If I edit the cut feature and enable the normal cut option, the cut on the angled face will change to reflect the way the part will actually be manufactured. There are times when we may need to have the cut wrap around a bend. In the next section, we'll explore how to do this using the fold and unfold commands.